remove belly fat, we're going to be needing one full onion, guys. Okay, now onion is loaded with a lot of nutrients that helps to balance the body hormone system. It helps to flush out toxins from the body, and it also helps to supply nutrients in the required places in the body. Okay, as much as removing belly fat. And then you're going to be needing fresh moringa leaf. You can order moringa leaf online, okay, or you can get it around. If you're in an African country, it is going to be easy for you to get moringa leaf because it's actually everywhere and it's very healthy. It's great for the heart. It is great for reduction of fat. It's great for malaria, and it also works wonders in cleansing the body, detoxifying the system, and it's also a remedy that works so well in healing you of any form of illnesses. Now, to make it work better, you're going to be putting in a little bit of lemon, guys. Now, lemon helps to remove belly fat. It helps to flush out toxins from the system, and it's also an energy drink that works rapidly in removing all stored and excessive fat. Now, to make that work better, we're also going to be putting in a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar works for the skin, for the hair, for the body. It also helps to get rid of unwanted and stubborn fat. It leaves the skin glowing, and it also helps to flush out toxins from the body. Okay, so it will be ideal in removing all excessive and stubborn fat. Now, if you're drinking apple cider vinegar, it's going to not only help to remove belly fat, but it's also going to reduce your weight generally. To prepare this, you're going to be removing the moringa leaf. Okay, this moringa leaf works so well in all manner of disease. So after plucking the leaf into a bowl, now you have to sanitize it. Okay, now I have to sanitize my own leaf because I got it very close by here, because this is an African country and we have it everywhere. So what I'm going to do is to pour in water to sanitize it. And wash it very well, okay, so that the dust will go off and the dirt in it will go off. But if you're buying online, I think it should be already washed and prepared. So after washing this, then you can transfer that into a clean bowl. Alright, now what I'll do now is to go and boil this into a tea, okay? And I'm not going to be putting any other thing apart from water. Alright, so now we're gonna prepare the onion. We're gonna cut the onion in bits. We're gonna blend. Now we're just gonna sieve it out. So strain it to get just the juice. So we have to transfer the juice into a bowl. Cutting the lemon. It depends on the size of the lemon though. You can put half or the both of them. And then squeezing the lemon. I'm gonna put in 1 cup of apple cider. Before you do that, you have to shake well. Alright, so here's the moringa, and what we're gonna do is to sieve it into the rest of the tea. And after everything is mixed, this is how it looks like right now. Friendly in the eyes, and it's gonna be yummy. Okay, let me have a take and tell you how it tastes. Oh, it's a little bit slappy because of the lemon, obviously, okay, but it is nice. Now if you have to take this every day, you have to skip the lemon. Okay, you can squeeze in the lemon into it like 2 times in a week, okay, and then this is what you're gonna take this morning and night without the lemon, okay, and all of your belly fat is gonna be gone. Trust me on this.